The music is it and the talk is it. And you be there challenge so many people.
Not so many.
I love to see it. Oh, you really think a little bit they whisper to me all the things where you they do. Yes. Yes.
Me, I don't like wahala.
Ah, really? You don't like wahala, but your hands, when they type wahala. Good to know. Victony, I see, I want to, because it's now the first time when me and you they talk on top of the spotlights. I really want to know, just describe the scenario for me, how you and the music take come in contact with each other.
Yeah, I mean, man, ever since I was small, it's been sort of like a natural attraction. You feel like I just naturally attracted to music. Like even before I became conscious of what I was doing. My mom usually told me that to calm me when I was small, either you go play Backstreet Boys or Westlife or the likes, right? So I mean, I just grew up with that, and
Anybody been a do music for house?
No, nobody.
So
I'm the first,
the first of your kind.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
But how the support from mom and dad? So since they don't play your music, music to you when you day small, so the support been come naturally.
I mean, earlier on, the bigger problem, being an artist in Nigeria, you go see, you go draw tattoo, you go follow women, you go, all those kind of things. So it made them like a bit skeptical.
Yes.
Right. But I mean, in recent times, man, they've been really supportive. They came for my listening party when I been one drop my EP.
Tell me how their reaction be when they enter. So I been missed that listening party. Tell me their reaction.
I mean, man, they were proud of me. I could see it on their faces.
Ouch.
Right. So they even invited their friends. Like funny enough. So they're on board now. So I mean, yeah.
Being proud. I mean, I would say you capture all their clips and everything.
Yes, now definitely.
So no, whether you capture them or not, I'm sure they don't share the pictures for church group.
I didn't tell you.
They don't share. Okay, so this so many of your songs actually where you don't drop, where they make so much wave, and then you be talk about songwriting.
Yeah.
And all that, and you've been challenged one of the thefts.
Yeah.
I know I mentioned name, I just talk. But tell me, is this confidence, where they come from?
I mean, man, it just, I mean, I know my craft, and yeah, I know what I'm doing. So
Yes.
and it was more of like a challenge. It's just, I mean, just for the fun of it. But apparently, a lot of people take it serious. But anyway, I mean, that's how like Twitter people are. So, but yeah, I mean, I'm a fan. You feel like
You be a fan, but then
I'm a fan.
I understand. No,
You feel so it's not anything serious, right? It's just
It's not that deep, huh?
Yeah. I mean, if I mean no do everywhere go be boring. You feel so I mean make everybody
so a
just
little spice
you
here
feel,
and there.
Yeah, just threw out there. So
But which one be the favorite for you to sing, Abina, to write music? You they play any musical instrument?
no, I don't play.
Wow.
I don't play. Actually, writing is very interesting for me because, like, the process of doing, like, coming up with metaphors or, like, punchlines or stuff that would just, like,
They excite you.
They excite me, yeah. So it go bust my own head. I go say, sweet in right.
But you like love.
I like love. I mean, who don't like love?
No. We plenty we still remain. Some of us remain. We never really like love.
Everybody like love. That's
but love no be my soulmate, cha. Now money be my soulmate. So Victor, you really like love.
Not really, really.
No, I really want to ask. Wait, no.
Okay,
no,
so I don't get like few encounters, right? It's really very interesting.
You don't tell us some for songs. You don't explain some. Give us. Who be this Jolene actually? No, but I they come. I never reach. You want to make me jump now? So tell me one or two encounters. How you be sweet? You don't chop breakfast before?
Everybody does chop breakfast.
No, I never chop. Seriously.
Last.
He don't never chop breakfast. Now why they vex me? That last they vex me. Come and say be expectant.
Everybody go chop.
No, everybody don't go chop.
Yeah.
So tell me, how your breakfast been happen when you been before Victony, or your breakfast been happen when you
so
just
I never really get breakfast. You feel right?
Is it dessert or what? Which one you chop?
But I don't get like sad experiences. I mean, I was when you're younger now, you have like the love of your life, and now all these kind of experiences.
So you
I
had
don't get,
Juliet.
But I mean, in recent times when I've not really like had.
But thank God, say be like Romeo, no get sense. Okay, yourself because So where those girls where you get experience with now? Where then they follow you for Instagram?
I don't know. Honestly, I've not been.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Don't check your DM. You sure say they never DM you?
I don't know.
But how the situation of your DM actually? In one word, what you go use qualify your DM?
I say crazy.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's crazy.
You go sell. Imagine say you publish your DM. Why go boss for even some pastors children go there. I don't know. I just the talk, so it's like for you to confirm for me now.
I don't know. I don't know we pastor. I just are we.
How am I sure you'll be one of them? But then we could talk about the level of they check out almost all your songs and they see say be like, is this pride or this is you knowing your craft because you like do your thing and then the song will just come out. Yes, it's Victony, and then let's the song be popping, no collaboration like that. I know they find big people who I want to collaborate with, but just do my thing and then the song will pop.
I mean, man, like honestly, I love collaborations.
Yeah.
It feel like I have some in the works already. Many collaborations will still come out this year, right? But I want people to be familiar with my sound, right? And to do that, you want to do it alone, so people will really sabi you first before you.
And they truly don't sabi you.
Yes, so that's really what I'm about, like right now. But I mean, I feel like my current releases go down for me. So in the future to come, those collaborations will come out. They plenty. Trust me, man. Like
Colo Mental.
Yeah.
You feel remember the situation where you did before you write those. Now you did write most of your songs.
Yeah.
What's happened? Why Colo Mental?
So I mean, I've been not really day like in a good mood the day I make the song. I remember I go Blaze house. Blaze is the producer, right? And he just played those chords. I give him the chords to make it play. Do you understand? And I just really wanted to express how I felt at the moment, right? So I've been not really there in a good mood, but at the end of the day, I've been no one reason it feels so. The Mental are just the medium for me to just let out.
Express yourself?
Yeah, express myself. What was in my mind at the moment. So
and with the feeling, we too they express ourselves. The other day too, I've been there that I don't know the mood maybe day too. But Lagos are going to take a break and we're there on the spotlight with Victor. And you know him. If you never know, you will know him. They look for trouble everywhere within song and we're going to take more messages from Una and then we'll go talk more about the song. Are they quite interested in that, Jolene? I think Jolene might have been anywhere in the world. And we they remember you here today. We they come back, Lagos. Superstar DJ in on the wheels of steel, Lagos. We're going to take that time to listen to that, Jolene. And of course, we go hear more from us.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.
I be not expect anything less at all. And of course, Victony, I don't know. It's just say see the god of music. So wait, sometime 2 months ago, I think you've been go a particular show. Lagos, if you just listen, they stream live also. And of course, they listen to us from different parts of the world. Welcome, guys. Sometime 2 months ago, been see a video of you when, I don't know, some people just, more like a propaganda, some people just post them up, say, oh, you don't begin the work, and they be see you for wheelchair and all that. Tell me, what really happened to you?
So, I mean, man, earlier last year, that was like April, I've been getting accidents. Right, I had like a car accident. It affected my leg. So I mean, I've been in a wheelchair for a while, right? And so that was pretty much it.
And you've been there in and out of hospital also.
Yeah.
But how you be the cope at the time, looking at music and different things where you need to do and different waka and all that. I'm sure it be don't hold down some things. But we thank God for life, anyway.
Yeah. I mean, man, like, because of the natural love I get for music, right?
Yes.
It was sort of like the only thing that I could do, to like clear my head. And I've been doing it for myself and my friends, my fans, my family, because I've been the guest strength for music and it put me in a better place. And I figured out that if I was in a better place, right, my friends, family, and fans will also be in a better place because like
Yes.
seeing me happy makes it easier for them. So
How excited you they being from this part of you from Nigeria? I know they like
Yeah.
ask people where they come from
Yeah,
from
from-
Nigeria.
from
I do like you're Nigerian, you're Nigerian.
Yeah.
So you seeing the kind thing where they happen around the globe and the Nigerian kind of sound. Where also they go out there and people they buy into Ramisi. You notice say some African people from different African countries they now come Nigeria to come register their own presence. Knowing say when Nigerians pick up your sound, you don't go with
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
How you do feel being in a time like this?
honestly, man, like I feel very excited, especially being in the golden age of Afrobeats.
I love
know,
that golden age.
Yeah, because like really, man, we did pioneer something for the next generation. When you look at what the likes of Thames, CK they're doing, the hope for Afrobeats just increases, right? You at the end of the day, Afrobeats gonna be global sound, right? Everybody go hop on our wave, and you have like everybody in the world listening to it like is normal, right? That's where we're heading. We're very close, so I did very excited to be part of the movement.
So you
Yeah.
follow for people. You dey look Grammy side too, right?
I mean, man, I don't do music for awards, but if it comes, why not?
Why not?
Yeah.
Okay, but in the music industry generally, you get any best friend?
Best friend.
Yes, I know why I asked.
I mean, I'm
because,
close to a few. I mean, shout outs to AV,
Okay.
AV, Alpha P,
Yes.
Yusuf,
Alpha-B, okay.
yeah, Oxlade.
Oxlade. Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
a few of them, yeah.
Okay, I don't want to talk with you. I want to talk, but then
Why?
we move. But you don't ever be in a situation where you feel like, say, okay, this industry is stressful because I hear some people say these things.
Yeah, the industry is stressful.
In what way, really? How the industry?
I mean,
is
it's only stressful when like you're really in it, right?
Yes.
I mean, me, I have so much time. Like, I'm so in my craft, like creating, thinking of ideas for my videos.
other people don't do in their craft.
They did their crash out, but I mean, man,
Exactly.
they okay. Truthfully, the industry is stressful, right? But at the end of the day, the joy comes from the music. The music is the substance. I think like sometimes artists shift focus from like
Okay.
their peas. Like everybody they really chase number one. I feel like that's kind of like a problem.
If they check number, just there for number two, leave that number one for them. At least by the time they go return back, you don't already collect number two. but for the I go like see more like anyway. You talk same other collaborations they come. You see the work. Someone like you, I think we never saw you come in, and then I don't think say we go see you coming still because they come out with a whole lot of new tunes and beautiful sounds, and then you like boom take on us even before we notice. Some people will say, "What song is that?" They say, "Oh, Victony, that guy." You get that? So that is actually because the feeling be say once DJ Indo they play and then somebody they pass for the corridor and go, "What song is that?" "Oh, that guy."
Yeah.
So it's like that. but make I talk about your style. I love those earring things. You like
Okay.
fashion.
Yeah, I love fashion actually.
You go like day into fashion.
Yeah, definitely. I like looking fly, and it's a P for me. Aside my music, right? It kind of like it complements the music, if you do music and
I like that
stuff.
word. There's a P for me. I think I go steal that word. I get loads and loads of lines. What's this? There's a P for me.
I mean, it's like a thing for me. It's like saying it's a thing for me.
I like it. You don't use that line again. I will be going to use that. And somebody, I go teach my friends. And they like teach them new lines. So, no, you see, you know how I go teach them? When would they talk? I would not mention it. They say, people, they will not be like, idiots. What's that? All right. But then, we could talk about the ladies. Oh, you really think you could run away from this part?
I'm running already.
Why they run? No, but really, they make up a whole lot of crowd for you.
Yeah, I mean,
How you they handle the female folks?
I mean,
You need water or what? What do you?
no, it's really not a P. Like at this moment, man.
You really don't repeat.
I
Okay.
just be focused on
Wait, what's that? What's that? What's that? You mean that they make you lose focus or what?
Focus. We don't want.
Oh, really?
Like, yes, you understand? Where they go?
Then you need to stop to they look fly. What do you mean where they go? Where they go? No people they lead people there. You don't know. They might see really. One of the artists will come in here. I don't go mention his name. He been talk say I really don't want to date anybody now except say you be a music lawyer or something, or maybe you be some kind of.
That's not what I mean. No, that's not what I mean.
Mean.
That's not what I mean. What I mean is, I don't want the distraction now. You feel right? Because like every day good day, like up there say.
Right.
I mean, we will reach there first. You understand? There's a lot to do.
Okay, so you're not gonna feel rich there with the ladies. Are they offended now, Victony? No, really, seriously. There's a P for you, and there's also a P for you.
I mean, shout out to all my female fans, man. Like, I have big love for them. They're a very important part of my,
But you didn't go somewhere without them.
No, I didn't carry them along now.
Really?
Yes, I didn't carry them along.
Really?
Yes, now.
Okay, Lagos, back we hear the song again, and then when we return back, it's gonna be time for us to wrap up. We get some, some music, people who understand music, and when they step in the building, I think they want to correct one or two things.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chuk Mouth.
We're just gisting, no be interview gang. I want to call one of the Nigerian. No be gang, I just gist. Somebody said, Cheche, allow yourself to chop breakfast now. Because last night, everybody will not chop. I'm one of those 2%. We no go chop. All right, we should be all right though. All right, Victony. So the video for Colomenta don't come out.
Yeah, it's sort of like a performance video, but I put out like a proper video later.
Okay.
But yeah.
Jolene call any of them?
Yeah, Jolene is in the works. Jolene's coming out next, like pretty soon.
Okay.
So,
you still run away, no greet, tell me waiting the inspiration behind Jolene.
No, Jolene just called my head though. Matter of fact, I put out like.
How Jolene go just come your head? I don't even understand this, Victony.
I'm serious. I'll put out the process, like how I made it very soon on my Instagram, and then you will see.
I like see.
Yeah.
As long as you don't look for trouble with them.
No.
All right.
Nah, I don't like Wala.
You really don't like Wala, but Wala like you, Abi. So Wala they come meet you. Thank you so much, Victony. So you come inside the building. Church, I love this guy, man. He's so sleek. And they watch live. Okay, sending you love from the US. We love you, Victony. When they come, Cheche, that Vic and Tony, where in get that name from? Like that somebody is interested. They won't know.
Yes, so my real name is Anthony Ibuka Victor.
Okay.
So basically, Victony is just combination of Victor and Anthony.
Of the two names. Okay. Yeah. Hi, Cheche. I'm enjoying your conversation with Victony. His real live voice is almost amazing. Bigger him, I pray. Also, hi, Cheche. My name. If it be you, who knows? All right. Well, thank you so much. Say you do on the spotlight with us.
Pleasure,
we do appreciate you and everything.
Thank
of
you.
course, where do people go follow you? Social media platform. I know you there everywhere.
Yeah. So on my Instagram, Victony VICT0NY. Same on Twitter. Same on TikTok. Same on.
Any new projects coming out? Or because this one's they new actually.
Yeah. I just put out like my EP like not too long.
What's the name of this EP?
The name of the EP is the Outlaw EP. It has Colomenta, Apollo, Jolene,
and yet you know like
amongst
trouble.
others.
You know like Wala.
No, I don't see like Wala.
All right, and of course, shout out to the team and shout out to you yourself because of your craft and everything. We love you big here. I will continue to support. All right.
Thank you so much.
But Lagos, the next time, don't forget you go catch the recap of this segment on top our WhatsApp, our Facebook, our YouTube, and also you go find different platform for you to rewatch on top the spotlight. We love you plenty. My name is still Cheche Smith. I take that break. But you self is still there here on a lockdown with you. Superstar DJ Indo, we they get Apollo, Colomenta, or Jolene. Which one to feel wrap up on top? The rest, Lagos, you go see them. We they do our reels, and of course you go to see them. I also go to update you. Indo.
This is quite a run. That's quite a hit. That is a.
Oh yeah, my
It's a truly outstanding moment.
people, this one now your own. The biggest football fan festival for Nigeria. Don't come back again, no. This one now Go Fest 2022. Dinner games, Iyapayaski. Food, Iyapayaski. Comedy and class, Iyapayaski. Even live music by Nigeria Obunga superstars. An opportunity to watch UEFA Champions League finals on top of a big screen. Go Fest 2022 to happen on the 28th of May 2022 for Balmora Convention Center, Federal Palace Hotel, Amadu Bello Way, Victoria Island, Lagos. Time now 2 p.m. program. Ticket is at the finish here. So rush now. Go get your free tickets on top www.gofestnigeria.com. No forget Go Fest 2022 is powered by Football Republic and proudly refreshed by Pepsi.
This is quite a run. That's quite a hit.
Cause now only Jawed is set my cause.